we just had another client who inquired, and she was scoring in the 167, 168 range. And I'm not even kidding. I don't even know what the hell happened, but she ended up with a 151 or 152.
Oh, wow.
Which is crazy because I've never seen such a discrepancy where you're scoring consistently X and then Y. And what's crazier is the individual walked out of the test and didn't cancel, meaning that the individual thought, at least in some semblance, that she or he had done well enough to be able to get into the 160s range. That just goes to show the more you practice, the more you're going to be able to, as you said, I think before, have that 3-point margin of error where you're like, yeah, you know what? I'm kind of thinking I may get a 162. I may end up getting a 168. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just land in the 165 range, right? So you really want to be kind of tuned into that. And that will really help you to kind of figure out whether you should cancel or not. And so in this instance, the individual I think had gone through I think she may have been a third year in school, had gone through school fast. And I said, look, pump the brakes, take a moment. There's no rush, okay? And just do it right, apply, and kind of go through the motions in a way that allows you to have the best application possible, because you've got a great GPA and you're going to do yourself an incredible disservice. For me, I exhausted it, right? I spent 2 years studying for the LSAT. I must have taken 60 practice exams. I took test masters 3 times, and I still bombed it. There was no way out of it. So I had to put all my eggs into a fantastic application, which is then what was the genesis of my admissions company, because I realized you still have a hope through the admissions process in terms of the application process. Obviously, I had a good GPA from UCLA. I graduated summa cum laude, but still a 153 or 155, or I guess the average of 154, applying it to a top 10 law school was, I was standing a 6 to 10% chance of getting in, and I was able to get in.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.